If you're considering crossing the border, maybe to look for some children's pain medication, keep this in mind. Residents of Western New York are bracing for a wintry blast of weather that could paralyze that region. A state of emergency is now in effect. The worst of the weather is expected in Buffalo, where officials are forecasting up to 1.2 meters. That's about 4 feet of snow that could fall in some parts of that city through Sunday, with some periods, of course, of near zero visibility. That's how fast the snow is falling. A driving ban is already in effect. That went into effect last night as the snow moved in. It is expected to be intense today and then taper off over the weekend. Just imagine 4 feet of snow. Our Mike Newen is driving around the Niagara region for us this morning, of course, just across the border from Buffalo. You can see fairly snowy there. They're definitely not going to escape the bullet that Buffalo is getting across the border, but there will be some snow, so keep that in mind as well. He's driving around the streets of Niagara Parkway right now, and across the border, again, they are in for an absolute dumping of snow. So keep that in mind. Let's give you a sort of visual to see what you can kind of expect here. This is north of the border. Environment Canada warning of snow squalls in southern and northern Ontario could bring up to 60 centimeters of snow to some regions. Now, local snowfall amounts, they're ranging from 15 to 20 centimeters by this afternoon. And in Barrie, well, as many as 15 to 20 in Barrie, and 60 centimeters by Sunday in some areas like Simcoe, Grey Bruce, and Niagara. Sometimes I do read too quickly.